Last ride of the day, Sammy. Yeah, she's still scared. But here we go, guys. In
Gromit and say cheese.
cheese. I don't think that works. This is the inside of POV, guys. Hope you enjoy it.
We'll go somewhere where there's cheese. Oh, good job I greased the bearings. Did you check the brakes, lad? No crackers, Gromit. We forgot the crackers. Hold on, Gromit. Hold on. Gromit. Porridge today, lad. Tuesday. Is it supposed to do that? Don't worry, madam. Everything's under control. Where'd you get that from? That's my machine. I've got patent pending. I've got a ball in my hands. Oh no, Gromit. Oh, that's quite enough. Don't be hearing from man about this. Capable of over 125 RPM. That's rabbits per month.
Rabbit bother and triple straight on over the might as well.
Hang in there, Gromit. Everything's under control.
It's a little circle.
Good boy, Gromit, man. Well done. Well, that went as well as could be expected from it, didn't it? Well done, Chuck. Oh, that was riveting. Oh, that was riveting.
So guys, we have finished the Thrill-O-Matic of Wallace and Gromit behind us. That is pretty much our last Wallace ride of the day in Blackpool. We didn't do much content, but that is what it is. It was more having fun or anything like that, but yeah. That was the POV of Wallace and Gromit Thrill-O-Matic in Blackpool, in Pleasure Beach in 2024. in October, Halloween season, because we've got a lot of spooky
So the
season.
question is, because there is a new Wallace and Gromit coming out this Christmas, are they going to add any new scenes in it? Possibly in the future.
Yeah, that is a question. With
I
with
think
the
they could.
with the upcoming seasons and episodes of Wallace and Gromit, will they change? Will they change the Wallace and Gromit Thrill-O-Matic, or will they keep it as it is? Nobody knows. Let us know in the comments. Drop a subscribe below.
Still prefer Goldmine.
Yeah, someone's a sort leader. She prefers the old-fashioned gold mind.
And Mark Flume.
Yeah. If anyone remembers the older, what was it, the older mind of before Wallace and Gromit, let us know down in the description. Tell me your thoughts. But for now, guys, we're going to sign out. It's now 5 o'clock. It's time for us to go, and we shall see you in the live stream later on. But without further ado, bye bye for now, guys. There she goes.